Today's video, we're going to make a journal. So you're going to go to the grocery store and you're going to get one of those paper bags, and then you're going to cut your size, however big you want your sheets to be of your journal. And once you have your sizing and all of your sheets cut, you're going to use a hole puncher and then make your hole at the top and the bottom, and you can use some twine or string, whatever you have available. This is what I had. And then you're going to tie it together. My knot is right there in the back, and I made an extra cover. You can use the extra flap over there, those little pieces, as page markers as well. For the extra cover here, I just have these little clips here to hold it in place. You can think of it as, depending on your age, when you used to make the book covers for your school books out of the brown paper. It's just going to be a little bit longer, and you're going to extend the piece over on both sides there. If you have a fancy clip, you can put that in the middle to hold everything all together. And then, of course, comes the fun part of decorating. I thought about cutting this down and gluing this on. I thought that the design looked cute with the brown. And, of course, you can use your washi tape or more stamps to decorate it however you'd like. And here we're all done. And then a little bit with the back design there. And the pages aren't all on, they're not all like perfectly even, but I think that just adds to it and gives a little bit more character. You could even rough them up and give it some of that like raw edge look too. Overall, I think it came out really cute.